Howdy, and I'm running into a very interesting situation. I have this very nice fifth wheel RV, and we have a little bit of a problem on our bedroom slide. You can see this was made out of OSB, it was, and it is just completely and totally rotten to the point that it is gone now. So I need to repair this. The question is, what do I repair this with? Should I come back with some type of marine board, or should I use something like HDPE? Or should I come back with plywood or marine grade plywood? Should I cover that plywood with epoxy, or should I cover it with fiberglass? I don't know what to do. I don't know how to repair this to make it where it's going to last a long, long time. So please leave some comments below, especially if you're in the marine industry. What would you do to repair this to make sure that it's strong and sturdy? And we'll be going through and we're going to detail this from beginning to end and show the entire process. Whatever we go with, you're going to be able to watch that. So be sure to come along this journey with me as we repair this slide out.